Question number 16. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 21 cm is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 3.5 and height 3 cm. Find the number of cones so formed. Diameter of metallic sphere is 21 cm. Then radius of metallic sphere (21/2 cm). Now this metallic sphere is melted and recast into number of smaller cones, and we have to find the number of cones. Then when metallic sphere is melted, then n number of cones are formed. Then volume of one cone, volume of cone is given by the formula 1/3 pi r square h. Then it is equal 1/3 pi, value of r, diameter of cone is 3.5, then r is half of it, means 3.5/2, and value of height of cone is 3 cm. Now it is volume of one cone. There are n cones formed, then volume of n cones is n into 1/3 pi since these n cones are formed by melting the metallic sphere, then volume of metallic sphere is equal to volume of cone, volume of n cones. Volume of metallic sphere, volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Then volume of metallic sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Radius of sphere is 21/2 cube equal n into 1/3 pi 3.5/2 square into 3, and we have to find the value of n. Then n equal, now 3 cancel out and pi cancel out, n equal 4/3 21 into 21 into 21/8 into 4/3.5 into 3.5. No. 7 3 to the 8, this is cancelled, 2 8 the 16, and n equal 21 into 24. Then value of n is 504, and it is number of cones formed.